Good morning, UKG kids. Take an English book. Sound of vowel U. Page number 2828. G-U-N, gun, gun. S-U-N, sun. R-U-N, run. Run means dodna. B-U-N, bun. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. B-U-G, bug. R-U-G, rug, rug, kapda. T-U-B, tub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub, mitana rub. C-U-B, cub. H-U-T, hut. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. R-U-T, rut. P-U-M-P, pump. J-U-M-P, jump. B-U-M-P, bump. H-U-M-P, hump. Hump, this is called hump. D-U-C-K, duck. B-U-C-K, buck. S-U-C-K, suck. L-U-C-K, luck. Luck. U-P, up. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. G-U-M, gum. R-U-M, rum. S-U-M, sum. U-S, us. B-U-S, bus. T-H-U-S, thus. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. S-H-U-T, shut. Then turn the next page. Fun with bun and gun. Fun with bun and gun. The pup sat in the cup. The pup sat in the cup. Put the nut in the hut. Put the nut in the hut. Now you take the pencil. We will circle the odd one, different one. Encircle the word which does not rhyme in each cloud. One is done for you. Not, nut, hut. Nut, hut is a rhyming word. This one the different one. Odd. Sun, gum, sum. Sun. Sun is the different one. Tap, tub, rub. Tub, rub, rhyming word. Tap is. So you circle this. Jug, mug, bag. Bag is a different. Sun, gun, sun. This is S-O-N, gun, sun. So this one is the different. Lamp, pump, jump. Lamp, jump. Lamp, pump, jump. Lamb is the different. Duck, desk, suck. Desk is the different. Okay. Now underline the correct one. Bug. This is a bug. Bug, dull, gun, hum. Bug is the correct answer. Sun. This is what is this? This is sun. Gum, cut, run, sun. So sun. This one is the correct one. Underline the sun. What is this? Hut. Pup, hut, cup, nut. Hut. 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 Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Here D-U-C-K, duck. L-U-C-K, lug, mug, tub. This is duck. What is this? This is bus. Jump, pump, thus, bus. Bus. Now, match the following. It's rhyming word. Rub, cup. Rug, hug. See, this is hug. Hut, butt. Gum, sum. Fuss, bus. Gull, dull. Luck, tuck. Cup, pup. So, kids, you learn this, match the following, underline, or this odd one. Okay, this rhyming word does not rhyme in each cloud. This exercise also you learn. And repeatedly you read these words practice every day. Okay.